What's up, dude? Dude, different seats?
Oh yeah, the truck's totally different since you saw it.
Hey, man.
What up?
It's good to see you, man.
What's up, UBT world?
Yeah. So it's raining. You mind if I just jump in?
Hop in.
You want to go riding around in this thing? Let me show you
Whatever.
some cool property.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Where'd all the rain come from?
Oh, I brought it. It's a Florida thing.
Man, was it raining in Miami?
Nope, but everybody knows it rains all day in Florida.
That's true. Okay, so you, I know you're probably tired of driving, but
I'll let you drive.
we could, all right. You want to do that? Actually, why don't you drive for now?
Okay. You're like, the roads are slippery, it's not my truck.
Yeah, and we're not going far though. Just gonna go across town. We got some property on the other side of town. Maybe get a picture or something. Wanna do that?
Sweet.
All right, let's do it. So what's the setup on the radio?
So it's a retro sound radio that's a direct fit head unit that fits these trucks. Like retro sound makes all the different stuff for just the plug and play.
Yeah.
And then I've got the speaker in the middle, and then I've got their speaker sub boxes in the back. So I've got 3 8s with the tweeters and all the stuff and the amp that they provide. And dude, this thing rocks. It rocks.
It sounded awesome.
Yeah. It gets,
You got Dakota Digital since I came by, or since you came by last.
Got the RTXs, they're X-Man.
They look great.
I love them. Dude, they're so cool. Like, the options on them are nuts. I can't wait till I put all the different VIM modules. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm most excited. They have a TPMS sensor. So I could, because whenever I'm towing, I always want to know, okay, what I need to be at 55, or when I'm not towing, I need to be at 45. And it's like, dude, I can just check it on the dashboard.
Yeah. That's rad.
Yeah, so.
Dude, the truck looks great. I was just pointing out to Solomon a minute ago how this actually looks a lot different from when he came by last time, because he had this thing slammed with stuff on that first road trip, the cross-country road trip. This is just a road trip, not just, but this is a road trip from Miami up to Sevierville, Tennessee, right?
Yep.
So you're going to, where are you going? Tell everybody where you're going.
So this weekend's the F100 Super Nationals, so one of the top 2 F100 shows, and how you not gonna go, you know? I can't not go to the fun parties. I love going. Anytime I get a chance to go to Tennessee, I do it. So this one's gonna be a lot of fun. It's supposed to be a little bit rainy, but it's an indoor-outdoor show. So when it rains, we'll go indoor, and when it ain't raining, we'll be outdoors.
And the cool thing is you're getting to sling some Ford Era merch. Represent Ford Era. Show the man behind all that. So that's awesome.
Yeah, well, so we've got a bunch of stuff. I brought some stuff for you. I'll give you.
Oh, sweet, man. Well, I got you some UBT stuff.
Yeah, last time we didn't exchange anything.
Yeah, did I? That's right. That's right.
Yeah, we were like.
It was
getting late. I was hitting the road.
So we're dealing with massive amounts of rain. Actually, not massive amounts. We're dealing with some rain today. So it's kind of cramping our style while we're in the truck. We're gonna get out over here at the property. Maybe shoot some B-roll in the truck. Do some fun stuff. So this is all my wife's family's land back in here. It's a great place to take some pictures too, especially with these trees all lined up.
Oh, that barn is...
Yeah. Solomon came packing. He brought a drone, so we're gonna try to get some cool drone footage while we're over here at the property of this thing. So we'll drop that in right here.
DJI Spark.
Sweet.
It's the really little one.
So we might crash this thing. Who knows?
I got extra blades.
Yeah, man, this rain is cramping my style today. But it could be worse. It could be pouring where we couldn't even stand outside. It'd be that Miami rain. All right, Solomon, so the last time I saw you, you had just gotten this truck, come all the way across the country. What have you been doing in this thing since? It was like 4 months ago, right?
Yeah, dude. Originally, I got the truck in Boise, Idaho, and I live in Miami, so driving from Boise to Miami, so 3,000-mile road trip. While coming through Atlanta, we stopped into you guys. I'm sure you can go back, watch that video. I'll
drop it down in the description.
Yeah, so I've just been having fun with it. You know, I run on Instagram, I run the Ford era at the Ford era, so I'm all about these Ford trucks. I got a whole bunch of them, and I wanted something that I could use to tow, go places, don't have to worry about it. So this is a 1970 F250 Crew Cab short bed, and it's already been Cummins 12 valve P-pump swapped. So I bought it like that, and then I've just been upgrading it since. Doing a whole bunch of stuff. Like I put in these headlights that they have the lines, they're dapper lighting. So they have like the original glass, so it has the lines, but then it has the middle is clear, so you could have the projector, and then it's got halos that change colors. I put this grill on because the other one had like a big dent over here. He said he was hunting and he hit something. I changed out these. They were just, you know, broken. I put my plates on it. So Florida only has a rear plate. So I had this that I bought in a junkyard when I was like 14. Dude. And it was just sitting on my wall because I just like plates. And I was like, this is a perfect plate for this truck.
The perfect plate. I actually just snapped a picture of that. I liked it so much, man. I dig it.
So I switched out, originally it had like some powder coated hubcaps, so I found a set of original polished with the black. I really wanted a set that had the black. A lot of them, they just get faded. Yeah. So I found a set and I was super happy with them. I think it set it off. I like a lot of chrome, at least original chrome, you know, not adding in a bunch of stuff. Oh, I put the F. When I got the truck, it was a Lord, not a Ford. This piece busted off and this was flipped upside down, so it was a Lord. So I took that off one of my other trucks. Put in a new windshield, put the trim on the windshield. I put on billet hood hinges from All American Billet. I did a little bit of stuff, like just playing with some of the motor stuff, but nothing major. Put in a whole bunch of oil because this thing spews oil.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah, everybody tells me it's not a real Cummins if it's not leaking. Yeah. So at least I know it's a real Cummins.
For sure, for sure.
It definitely leaks. So if you got a driveway and you don't want me having oil stains, let me know when I come to your house.
Yeah, right. I love it.
And then the Fat Fender Garage makes these brackets. So they're for a Mustang, like a 15 and newer Mustang GT seat. So I got the brackets. I had to modify them because they're made for welding. I bolted them in, but I did the radio, I did the Dakota. I switched out the steering wheel to like just a nicer steering. It's the same one, but just one that's not all cracked up. Yeah. I think these were on. Yeah, these were on. But these
I think you had just put them on. Yep.
And I like to break stuff up, and I like chrome. So I got this. This is off of like a 68 Ranger F100. But I thought it looks great. It really breaks up the color a lot, and it's the original, so it's got the original paint. When I got the truck, it came with two bumpers. It had the bumper that was on in the last video. It was basically body color, same bumper but body color. And he gave me this bumper, and this bumper was roached. When I got it, the entire thing kind of had this rust scaling on it, and it just looked horrible. And I was going to go with a sport bumper, so I bought a sport bumper and I'm like trying to put it on, and then I'm like, let me see this other bumper, and I went at it with 4-aught steel wool, and it cleaned up really well. And now it's starting to come back, and I don't mind it. I don't mind having a little bit of rust on it.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I found on eBay this original 1971 Cummins bumper sticker, and it wasn't that good of a sticker, so I took it to my buddy. He laminated it and put it on there. So that's the original 1971 Cummins bumper sticker.
That's awesome.
And I thought that's like a little good homage.
Yeah.
And then I put on these plates recently. So Ford era with the American flag in it. Live the dream. I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I've got a bunch of plans for the truck.
Well, hit us with that. I'm
thinking about lifting it like maybe 4 to 6 inches. Right now it's on 33s. I'd like to do like 35s or 37s. Yeah. But the more and more I look at the truck, I'm like, oh, 33s are really nice.
They are.
But I want to step up the rim size. Now it's on 16s. I want to do 18s or 20s. And then I need to figure out more of the interior. So I'm going to be doing like a really nice interior, all just really nice, hopefully leather. So I'm trying to work that out. I want to do like amp power steps, Fat Fender's making brackets. Yeah. I'm waiting for him to finish those so I can put the steps on. I want to put body trim, so like the trims that go over here. Hopefully this weekend I could find the rest of them. I started piecing it together. So I want to put those trims on. I want to put the lower body molding trim on. And then I want to buff the whole truck just to get it to shine a little bit more, and then motor stuff. So right now the motor is stock probably about 180 horsepower, like 300, 400 torque. I want to do like 600 horsepower,
yeah,
and over 1,000 torque.
Yeah. God, this thing will be a beast.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that. And then, you know, full exhaust. I need a bigger fuel tank. I drive it way too much. It's got like a 20-gallon tank in it now.
Yeah.
It's not cutting it. I mean, I'm getting 18 miles to the gallon, but still. So I want to put in, I'm probably going to get like hit up Boyd's and have them make me a tank, because they'll make custom sized tanks.
Absolutely.
So I want to put like a 100-gallon tank in between the frame rails, and just huge tank, so I could go from here to California, don't even have to fill it up.
God, that'd be awesome.
Because I've been doing that. Quick plug, because why not? You guys should check out my YouTube channel. It's called Ford Era. Just search Ford Era. Might be links down below.
Links in the description.
Yeah. And so I've recorded pretty much everything that I do with this truck. I made a video yesterday coming up here. We'll make a video today doing this. Yeah. So yeah, all the stuff has been on there, and it's just kind of fun. I wanted just something that I could put a car seat in, kind of like why you just got your truck. Yeah, man. You know, everybody wants a single cab truck because they're super cool, but it's like for a single guy, or you know, you and your girl. But when you got a family, crew cabs are where it's at. They're where it's at. So my little girl loves it. The day that I bought the truck, we went on a cruise, and I got the truck a month after she was born. So she's gonna grow up knowing this truck. It's gonna be, you know, part of the family forever. I mean, I've had people offer me like 5 times more than I paid for it. Oh, I'm sure. I said no. I'm sure. So, well, it's a cool truck, man. I appreciate you running back through and let's, you know, and us coming out here and shooting this cool footage. I think folks are really gonna enjoy seeing this thing rolling through here. Absolutely. So, thanks for coming by, man. Thanks for having me. I just, you know, I want to enjoy the truck with friends. Yeah, man. And if I'm coming through Atlanta, I got to stop in and say what's up. Well, I appreciate it, man. It's so cool. Thanks, Solomon. Cue the music.